Bonjour, bienvenue. Hello, my beautiful souls in Poland. I hope you will have a great Wednesday. It's Wednesday, it's 19th of March. Um, just comes to my mind since I'm making other videos. It comes to my mind that we were not talking about the current situation in the sky, which is very interesting and could be very confusing. Sun and Neptune conjunction happening, which means that Sun and Neptune, they are very close to each other, and you can imagine, or you can may feel that you're planning something, and suddenly just something came across, and you cannot make what you planned. That's why, because Neptune is close to Sun and make the clear vision a bit dizzy, a bit foggy. Also, since Neptune is a foggy, dizzy planet, the Sun is coming and try to cleaning up this fog. So may could happen that some details to come out to the Sun. So no worry. The full suggestion, what I can tell you just as life experience, and in this moment try to focus on the present for the now. Do not make long-term plans. Long-term plans, even it could be a month. So today, tomorrow, if it's possible. Otherwise, do not plan, because it could happen anything which is just came across and you cannot do what you wanted. But let's go ahead. Let's see what the other side suggests us to use energy in order to have a successful day. Okay? So it's 19th of March. So we count 19 cards. And let's ask the questions of questions. What is this useful energy that my lovely kolorowa ptaki in Poland should use today in order to have a successful day? Let's count even together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. We have the 19th card. We will see. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These actions helps to the channel to come up in YouTube's algorithm and shows up to others who are looking for some direction, some help. I try to always share information to anyone to come out from the mess, because I know what does it mean to be in a mess. So to come out from the mess, whatever card it is, will be on my Instagram channel. Please visit and read the full description of this card as well. Pick up the information which is related. You feel intuitionally feel it's related with you. Oh yeah, then let's see. Et voila. 8 of Swords, another Swords. And this morning I saw this card already. And I felt somehow maybe he will come up. Even he doesn't want to come up, but he will come up. 8 of Swords, another mind. You made the obstacles, it shows. 8 of Swords, god named Wahewa, just because it's in 8. As we know, the Kabbalah's tree of life, it's in the 8th Sephirah. This is Netzach. So, no, not Netzach. Will come to my mind or not? No. Chesed. This is Chesed. It's a mind. Again. In your mind, it's about getting free. 8 of Swords, normally it means that you are making any obstacles for you. You made for yourself obstacles, and you are the one who can make yourself free. Now, Sword, it's in your mind. Your mind, you have this obstacles, hindrance, spelling what you're telling. I cannot deserve it. I'm not good enough. I cannot get this job. I cannot have higher salary. Whatever you are telling, this is the swords around you. Now your work to dissolve these, all of them. Not for one day, you can be sure, but you start to dissolve your own obstacles, what you made by yourself. As you see, he's like blindfolded as well. Just it was the Two of Swords a few days ago. So he knows that all of this is not around him. It doesn't matter. It's outside. It's inside. Yeah. Dissolve all your spelling, all your obstacles, what you made for yourself. This is the one and only way you can be free and use it. This possibility to this way I mean path. Use this path to make yourself free. And then slowly we go further on and getting free and beautiful and rich and whatever you want, to be honest. But first, make your mind free. There was, I think, an En Vogue number, which is Free Your Mind. Listen to this song, and this is it. Free your mind. Okay? Free your mind. Enjoy your day. I wish you a very happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Mercury. Yeah, it's a sword day. It's a mind work. Mercury's mind, the logic. All of this, so yeah. Perfect. It's fine. It's just fine. Okay, so listen to En Vogue, Free Your Mind. I wish you a very happy Wednesday and free Wednesday. Belle journée. Merci. Au revoir. À demain.